Eden's Garden Essential Oils presents This or That, comparing orange essential oils. Bitter orange. Bitter orange is derived from the orange peel of the same tree as both petitgrain and neroli. Aroma captures the sharp vegetative aroma of petitgrain and the floral sweetness of neroli. Benefits: soothes feelings of nausea and indigestion. Blood orange. Blood orange has an aroma that takes you right into the orange groves. Aroma, similar to an orange peel with a fruity sweetness and beautiful tangy green aroma. Benefits: helps soothe inflammation and localized pain. Sweet orange. Sweet orange is the most popular oil due to its traditional orange aroma and versatility. Aroma, think of orange candy with a tart filling and soda. Benefits: supports the immune system and encourages wellness. Orange Around the World oil. A combination of the best oils from California, Belize, Florida, Greece, and Italy. Aroma. Its citrusy vibrancy matches the sunny areas from which it's sourced. Benefits. This orange oil is the ultimate mood booster. 2 ways to use orange oil. Number 1, diffusion. Number 2, topical use. Diffusion. Add 10 drops of orange per 100 milliliters of water in an essential oil diffuser. To create a mood-boosting blend, add 5 drops of orange, 3 drops of lavender, and 2 drops of lemon to your essential oil diffuser. Topical use. Combine 12 drops of orange oil with 1 ounce of carrier oil. Apply to pulse points to help boost mood or to areas of inflammation and pain. Find all of these 100% pure orange essential oils at edensgarden.com.